I also had a question about astral travel.
Yes.
How do I do that?
Very well now and then when you don't know you're doing it. You often do it in your sleep, as most of you do. When you relax the mind and let go of the spirit in that sense. But remember, even though, again, the illusion, the experience would seem to be that you are a spirit leaving the body, all that's actually happening is that your consciousness is expanding beyond the parameters of physical reality. You can still create the illusion that you are floating in a spirit form above your body, but you're just expanding like a sphere, your focal point of consciousness. So in a sense, what that ought to really tell you is that even though this is also a symbol and also a euphemism, it's not so much that your body contains your spirit. Your spirit contains your body. And when the spirit focuses itself down in a certain way, then it becomes a kind of crystallized experience of consciousness that you call physical reality. But the spirit leaving the body is just you expanding back out into a less crystallized focal point of consciousness. And that is astral travel. Does that help you?
It does, thank you.
Imagine thus then, when you lay down to sleep, this contracting and expanding sphere of crystalline consciousness. And feel yourself expanding as a sphere, as a bubble beyond the body, expanding your focal point beyond the physical realm. And if you practice that, that is a permission slip that may give you the willingness to give yourself permission to lucidly realize that you are bridging the realities of physical and non-physical reality all the time. Does that help you?
Thank you so much.
Our unconditional love to you and sweet dreams.
Thank you, Bashar. Much love. And Shivai.
Shivai.